Having trouble tracking your SafeLink shipment? You're not alone. Many users experience issues with tracking numbers not working. This often stems from a few key reasons: data latency, mistyped tracking numbers, or temporary glitches in the carrier's system like USPS, UPS, or FedEx. First, data latency means updates can lag 24 to 48 hours. The system needs time to process and sync information. Second, mistyped tracking numbers are common. Make sure you've entered the correct 10 to 15-digit alphanumeric code, often prefixed with the carrier's initials. Third, temporary glitches in the carrier's system can cause issues. These are usually resolved quickly by the carrier. Before panicking, try these quick fixes. Double-check that you've entered the tracking number correctly. Give the system some time to update. If it's been less than 48 hours, the information might not be available yet. Try refreshing the carrier's tracking page or using SafeLink's Track My Order portal on their website or app. If you've waited and double-checked and your tracking number still isn't working, it's time to explore other solutions. First, ensure your device and browser are compatible with the carrier's website. Disable any ad blockers that might interfere with tracking. If the number shows as invalid or not found, there might be a shipping error. Contact SafeLink support immediately. You can reach them 24/7 at 1-800-SafeLink or use their online chat feature. Have your account details ready for verification. SafeLink has also introduced an AI-powered chatbot in their app for instant troubleshooting, which resolves many tracking issues. Remember that SafeLink relies on third-party carriers, so patience and persistence are key. If the issue persists, ask SafeLink support to investigate with the carrier directly and provide a status update. Recent updates mandate SafeLink providing proactive SMS alerts for shipment milestones, so ensure your contact information is up to date.